last product type that we're going to talk about is our virtual or our downloadable product types. So this is pretty simple to a simple product, except we're going to do a couple more options. So in order to start this, hover over products and click on add new. And we'll give our product a name. Let's just say it's a digital download, and maybe it's a PDF file. And we can put some other information in here. We can add it to categories, add tags, we can put in a product image. All of that is generally the same. But under our product data, we're going to select either one of these boxes. So this kind of depends on what you're selling. So if you're just selling, let's say, a unit of time or something else that's virtual, we would just select this first box for virtual. But if in addition to that, it's something like a file download, whether it be an MP3 or a PowerPoint, we're also going to select downloadable. So if you're just selling a unit of time, it would just be virtual. If we're actually allowing them to download a file afterwards, it's downloadable. Now, if we select downloadable, we're going to get a couple options down here. First, we're going to upload the file to the server. So if it's a PDF, we would click on add file, select the file from your computer, and then that would be available for people to download afterwards. Then we can put in a download limit. So how many times can they download this file when they've purchased? Download expiration date, so should it expire at a certain amount of time or a certain amount of days after they've purchased, and then the normal tax status, tax class, and the rest of it. So if we put a price in here, it's fairly simple. Now if we publish our product and we take a look at it on the front end, we can see that it's going to look generally like all of our other products. And the only real difference is after they've purchased, they're going to get that download link and be able to download the file. Or if it's a virtual product, so if it's a unit of your time, if you're a consultant, then nothing's really going to happen afterwards. They're going to pay and you're going to get an email notification saying that they've purchased 1 hour of your time or whatever it may be. If it's a downloadable file and a virtual file, then after they've purchased, if you've uploaded that file and set it up, they're going to get access to download that file with any restrictions that you've put on. So that's the end of our series on the different types of products with WooCommerce. In the final video about WooCommerce, we're going to take a look at reviewing orders, and we're going to take a look at the reports that come through with WooCommerce.